Hey, what's going on, everybody? Anthony Sequeira here, and I thought I would just shoot a quick video with a question that I've already been getting, and that is, what do I expect for the new simulations in the new CCNA exam? So we have more and more learners out there that are starting to transition to studying for the new CCNA as opposed to messing with the old CCNA. And they're starting to wonder about sims. So let's check it out. Obviously, no one's seen this new test yet. It doesn't exist. So we're going to go into the blueprint for the new CCNA. So I'm going to go in under the exam topics, and I'm going to use the strategy that I've used for Cisco certification exams of this nature in the past, and that is scrutinize the language of the blueprint and see what would make sense for simulations. Look at this. Explain the role and function of network components. Nope, no sims there. Describe characteristics of architectures. Nope. Compare physical interface, and cabling types. Nope. So what we're doing is we're going through and we're looking for language that would be like configure, verify, troubleshoot. And there's our first instance of that. So IPv4 addressing and subnetting. You might have to do that on devices in a sim, most certainly. Configure and verify IPv6 addressing. Bingo. What else? Verify IP parameters for the client OS. I seriously doubt it in your CCNA exam. So understand virtualization fundamentals. No config there. Describe switching concepts. So we're going to use that same exact strategy. We're looking for things that we have to configure, and those are certainly valid for simulation type questions. Here's VLANs, here's interswitch connectivity, here's layer 2 discovery protocols, here's ether channeling. So nothing's changed here as far as our strategy when it comes to preparing for simulation topics. We're going to look at the exam blueprint very carefully, and we're going to look at that language that's used in that blueprint, and we're going to zero in on those configuration, verification, and troubleshooting type tasks. Well, thanks so much for joining me in this quick video where I'm answering a question that I've been receiving over at the blog. Thanks again, everybody.